Well, welcome back to the Surfer Joe Show, Chef Frankie. We got here today, we got this on Amazon. Active washing machine cleaner. We're at our washing machine. Now, there's a lot of videos of this product that are on the internet, but they're not doing it correctly, okay? First off, with this machine, this type of machine, you have a clean out drain, which is right down here, that once in a while, you're supposed to get on your hands and knees, open it up, clean it out, put it back together, okay? And the inside, well, that's why you buy Active Clean. Let me open this up. We screw out of the way. Chef Frankie's in the other room. So this Active Clean thing, as everyone else does, you know, they show you. We only got one of the tablets open, but they give you a chart where you write down the date you put your tablet in here and use it. Now, you're supposed to do it twice a month. And it gives you, a thank you card and a little information and enough here. Now, on a lot of the videos, this is what the people are doing. They have the tablet, it goes in the drum, they shut it, they start it. Now, on your machine, if it has a clean tub, you hit that cycle. If not, you use your regular cycle and on hot water. Now, here's the thing. A lot of people aren't showing you. We got paper towels here, so we're going to show you. And I had mentioned it on the box. Gonna have to switch you around here so you all can see. Okay, it's not gonna switch. Here's the Osmo action. This plastic liner. Okay, you can see over here all that black. You lift this up to paper towel. Oh yeah. Get underneath there. Looky there. That black over here. That's all dirt. You see? Now, what we want to do is we want to find out, will that rubber come clean by just using this, or do you did a disinfectant wipe and do it? So let's do this. Close this up. Get you tuned in here. On this machine, you hit the power. And then you switch it all the way around to tub clean. This is what it's displaying. Never done this before. There's no temperature. We hit tub clean. It says the door is locked. Okay. Waiting to see if it's going to do anything. It started moving inside. There it goes. Starting to move inside. See, tub clean. You can hear that in there. We've never used this tub clean before. So, we're not going to sit the entire time with this on. We'll come back to check it. But we just did this part. I'm going to see what's going to go on. Because everyone's video online we watch, it automatically filled with water. This one's not filling with water. And we don't know why. Don't know if this is normal, not normal. So, this is going to take 89 minutes. That's a long time. Alright, well, we're going to pause this and we're going to check in on you later. The water is running. Okay? About 30 seconds after we pause the video, the water is running. You can hear it in here. Up here, it says it's washing. We want you to know what to expect. We've never used any of this before. Getting some suds. Never put clothes in here. Never put clothes in here. We're doing the tub clean. You're not supposed to. Like I said, there's a lot of videos out there and they don't tell you nothing. There we go. We're guessing it's a heavy duty detergent that will clean all of it. And afterwards, you're supposed to wipe down the inside of the tub with a towel. So this is going to be 86 minutes. So we'll be back to let you know how much water goes in here also. That's a lot of suds in there. A lot of suds. We're at 53 minutes. That is a lot of suds. So, now, some other people said you can just run a bunch of detergent in here without clothing and it will do it. I do not know about that. I just know these tub washers, washing machine washers, are a big hit with people. So, we're going to come back. I'm not seeing no water at this point. I know it's in there. Every time I shut off this, there we go. I guess it's not going to fill up a lot because it's just cleaning. I was going to say, every time I shut this off, it starts again. Alright, we're going to come back when it's almost done. It be spinning. And 23 minutes. Now we still got the paper towels. We're going to find out, did it clean underneath that rubber or not clean it? It is rinsing. The water's clean. One minute and it's winding down. Is it done? Oh, I hear, no, it's gonna spin some more. All right, it's gonna spin some more. See if we get the door. It's gonna spin out some more. See if we get the door chime. There's that magic number, the sound. There we go. Ooh, right away. Look at that. It did not clean that at all. Okay, we see some up there too. Wow, okay. Well, we're going to do this. We got our paper towels. Right away, we're going to check this out. Got our paper towels. And here it looks a little cleaner. Ah, okay, not much for the rubber. Come over here. Might have to get that disinfectant towel to get in here. Look at that. Look at that. Okay. So, I hope it cleaned the tub better. Really do. I mean, I figure all that would have been washed away. But apparently it did not. So what we're going to do is this here. Pull this up. Wipe this down. You know, we were thinking that this little wash tablet, when they say clean the tub, it means the whole washer here. Clean all this. No. Let's go back to this tub. Because just curious. You know, is this a waste of money? Not a waste of money? Smells alright. To the inside. See, there's one on the inside too. Here, this one. Oh, it's trying to get in here. You see that down in here? Yeah. So while we're here, gonna scrub it. I mean, if this is just soap and water in here, ooh, get this out. Not sure what that's from. It was very hard. It was not a human hair, no fur from a kitty cat. But you know, that's just, it's supposed to clean the tub. This rubber part is part of the tub. So we're going to scrub this, wipe this all down while we're here. You know, figured it would be doing it. Get underneath here. So if I'm going to use a disinfectant rag every so often, get all that, pull this back. See? So it doesn't clean the rubber. Now it says use a towel to wipe down the inside. Well, we have a paper towel. It doesn't say what type of towel. You know what? I still distinctly smell some kind of odor. That comes out clean, but for it to be odor free, no. I can still smell some kind of odor. That means down there that we talked about in the beginning, we're still going to have to get on our hands and knees and clean that out. So, I mean, that was just like soap when you do your laundry, which cleans it anyways. Is it worth buying this tub washing detergent of any type? Let us know in the comments. So for Joe Show, Chef Frankie.